愛し合う。こんにちは。日本語リンゴのカンタです。
カイです。
We're going to talk about a frequently used word, し合う。し合う。You put a verb before 合う。Let's start with a form. Must form minus must plus 合う。The meaning is to do something to each other or together, like mutual actions. The easiest example is 助け合う。助け合う。助ける is to help. The polite form is 助けます。Remove must and put 合う。To help each other is 助け合う。助け合う。Alright, here's some more examples. 見つめる。見つめる is to stare. To stare at each other is 見つめ合う。見つめ合う。And 愛する is to love. Is to love. And to love each other is 愛し合う。愛し合う。Sounds easy, right?
Yeah, it's like some verb prominent of French. While we're here, let's check the conjugations of the verb 会う。Negative form,
合わない。
polite form,
会います。
て form,
会って。
conditional form,
会えば。
let's form.
会おう。
Now, there are some 会う verbs that have come to have some extended meanings. 話し合う。話し合う。To talk to each other, then to talk with people to discuss. 言い合う。To say to each other, then to argue. Okay, let's see some examples. さっき駅でマサトとヨーコが抱き合ってた。
ちょっと電車に乗るたびに席を奪い合うのはやめなさい。
人と言い合うのはあんまり好きじゃないんだよね。Alright, this is such a useful expression, isn't it? 世界を見てみると、互いに批判し合っている国も多いし、人々が激しく傷つけ合っている地域もあります。
そうだね。もっとみんなが愛し合うことができれば、もっと安全になるのになと思います。
Anyway, you can really use this out in daily conversation. Hope this video helped you. See you in the next video.